Are you ready to take to the skies on an artistic adventure? Today, we're going to learn how to draw and color an amazing airplane. So, buckle up and let's soar into creativity. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're about to embark on a high-flying journey as we draw and color a fantastic airplane. Get your art supplies ready, and let's get started. We're going to create an incredible airplane step by step. First, draw the body of the airplane. It's like a sleek, elongated oval. Now, add the tail and the wings of the airplane. Let's make it look ready to soar through the skies. Below the wings, draw the engine. This is what makes our airplane zoom through the air. Next, add the rectangle-shaped doors and some circle-shaped windows. Our passengers need a great view.
Cool!
With our drawing complete, let's make it stand out even more. Use your marker to make the outlines bold and sharp. To add a touch of magic, draw some stars and fluffy clouds around the airplane. The sky is full of wonders. Some vibrant colors to our airplane. Pink color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Green color. Purple color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. And there you have it, young aviators. We created a magnificent airplane ready to take flight into the world of art and imagination. I hope you enjoyed this high-flying adventure. And always remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. Keep creating and reaching for the stars. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.